So not many people know about this tool right here. It's an exhaust hanger removal tool. It makes life much easier. Boom. That's it. No pry bars needed. So another great tool is this bolt buster heat induction tool. So it gets these nuts nice and red hot. I already removed these, but you can see the condition these were in, but you can see how this nut is getting red hot within seconds. It's pretty useful, you know, when you don't want to use the torch, which I have over there. When you're in like areas like up in there, you don't want to catch things on fire, so this thing actually works pretty well, and you can kind of bend the top here in any direction, and yeah, it heats the bolt red hot within, you know, seconds. So these two great tools, must have when dealing with exhaust.